In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change clothes in Hunter Call of the Wild. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily change your outfit in Hunter Call of the Wild. In order to do this, you simply have to go into an outpost and access the cache. I'm gonna teach you how to purchase new sets of clothing and also how to equip them, and you will be able to do them easily in the same menu. So like I mentioned, the primary way to do this is to go over to any outpost. When you go to an outpost, look for the cache icon, which should be this little box. When you go to the cache, you will be able to change the clothing that you currently have equipped on your character. So first, if you still need to acquire new sets of clothing, open the cache and go into the store. On the store, one of the categories between equipment is going to be clothing. So you can see right here in the middle of consumables and backpacks. When you choose clothing, you can see all of the sets available. You will see their price in in-game currency. Some sets might be free and some sets might be DLC exclusive. So if you see DLC, you will need to acquire the corresponding DLC to actually equip them. So once you choose any of these sets, you will be able to equip them on your character. So go through with the purchase if you want. There will be a description at the right side of the screen telling you more about the set. And of course, there's going to be a picture with the character wearing the set right here. So once you have purchased any of these sets, in the same menu in the cache, you can go over to character, and under character customization, you will be able to find clothing. So you will be able to change it here alongside your backpack as well. So if you choose clothing, which is the focus of this video, you will be able to navigate through all of the options. You simply have to change it here, and it is going to be reflected on your character at the left. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, as long as you purchased the corresponding clothing in the store. I hope I was able to help you on how to change clothes in Hunter Call of the Wild. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.